Access to growth capital in a fast, efficient, and streamlined fashion is ever more important in a competitive world. And Jens with Spotcap and Nikolaus with Myos, you're both enabling small to medium businesses to get access to that critical growth capital they need. So Jens, I want to start with you. How are small to medium businesses benefiting from the Spotcap platform?
The biggest benefit is actually to reduce the cost of search for them, because it literally takes them a few minutes to apply for a credit on our platform and then get credit decisions within a very quick time frame, as fast as 15 seconds, to manage their cash flows and to grow their business. We focus on what we need to assess their real-time performance. We connect to several data points like their bank account data, and we then run our algorithms in a very, very fast manner, fully automated, without any human intervention, and give them a fair answer, which is quite often yes.
And Nikolaus, with Myos, you're doing a similar thing with working capital. Using a lot of online information, though, to get knowledge about the customer.
We are serving small e-commerce players and help them finance their working capital, manage their working capital. The special thing is that we're basically looking at e-commerce product information rather than information on the businesses themselves. We are pulling our data from online marketplaces and using that data in order to evaluate the assets that our merchants basically sell. You can basically think of it like a margin loan, just instead of stocks with products and instead of stock exchange, you basically use an online marketplace like Amazon or Alibaba.
Both of you are really helping businesses accelerate their growth. What has been, in terms of measurement, the ROI for businesses working with you versus traditional lenders?
The ROI is basically that instead of spending weeks to search for funding, which may potentially give them the opportunity to, when they go with us, to actually pursue opportunities such as bulk discounts on, inventory which they sell within days, which they normally can't get. So I think they pay a little bit more to platforms like us. It's also unsecured, but at the same time they can pursue opportunities which they haven't been able otherwise. So definitely a double-digit ROI for them when going to providers like us.
For our clients, the question is often whether to get financing at all, because they're very, very small clients. They can grow 2 to 5 times faster than they could without financing their working capital.
Both of your technology platforms could be really useful for traditional banks. What does the future roadmap look like with respect to partnerships or potentially exits to big banks?
We have started to partner with several banks in Europe, but also overseas, because they've seen the benefits of working with us. So we create win-win situations. In the end, the customers, the SMEs, benefit from that.
For us, it's a bit similar. We like to say we score prime products instead of subprime sellers. Our clients are, when we first work with them, they're basically subprime. They're not bankable. And in a way, we make them bankable. And by that, for the future, we could potentially create leads for banks and also do underwriting for them.
What percentages of businesses do you think you're able to give capital to that traditional lenders just would never be able to?
I would probably say that at least 50% of those customers who have been approved via our solution have been probably rejected initially by them due to basic eligibility criteria, just not enough history potentially.
I think the playing field is huge, since basically 99% of businesses are small businesses. For us, we're focused on e-commerce. That's roughly 20% of SMEs.